Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make faux soup broth. First, prepare your foundational ingredients. Begin by roasting about 2 pounds of beef bones in the oven until beautifully browned, adding depth. Next, char 1 large onion and a 3-inch piece of ginger directly over a flame or broiler. Finally, toast 2 tablespoons of whole spices, like star anise and cloves, in a dry pan until fragrant. Once your ingredients are prepped, it's time to build the broth's rich flavor. Place the roasted bones, charred onion and ginger, and toasted spices into a very large stock pot. Pour in about 12 cups of cold water, ensuring everything is fully submerged. Bring it to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat and let it cook for at least 3 hours. Remember to skim off any foam or impurities that rise to the surface for a clear broth. As your broth simmers, it's time to introduce the classic faux seasonings. Add about 2 tablespoons of good quality fish sauce and 1 tablespoon of rock sugar to the pot. Stir well to dissolve, then taste and adjust the seasonings as needed to achieve that perfect balance of savory, sweet, and umami. Once satisfied, carefully strain the entire broth through a fine mesh sieve, discarding all the solids, leaving you with a clear, aromatic liquid. Now for the best part, serving your delicious homemade pho. Reheat the strained broth until it's piping hot. While it warms, prepare your favorite pho toppings like thinly sliced beef, fresh herbs, bean sprouts, and lime wedges. Arrange cooked rice noodles in bowls, top with the beef and herbs, then ladle over the steaming broth. For easy meal prep, check the description for a link to leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your incredible pho.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.